Good morning, my dear respected students. Today, I'm just begin with my content, and this is our lecture number 2. And my dear respected students, we are just begin with the same chapter, that is chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is the computer system. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. It's my humble request that you all are requested to kindly concentrate. Kindly open page number 9 of your book, and then we are supposed to begin with the content. उसके साथ ही हम जो content है वहां से start करेंगे page number 9 of your book. First of all, my dear respected students, the text which is appearing on your screen, that is a hardware. So can you please type in a chat box that what do you understand by a hardware? It's my humble request. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good. What do you understand by a hardware? I'm still waiting. The devices which we can dash and dash is called as hardware. Arey wah, Shipra ji, very good. Tanveer, thank you, thank you. The devices which we can touch and see, those are called as hardware. Very good. Okay, my dear respected students, kindly concentrate. It's my humble request here. It says when we talk about the hardware, we are supposed to discuss about two different devices. One is to be called as a input devices and second is to be called as a output devices. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को सबको पता है the input means we are going to enter something within a system, and when we talk about the output devices, it says that the content is supposed to be displayed on the screen, and that is to be called as a output devices. Very good, great. Till now, I think so it's perfectly done, that you all are able to understand what is the meaning of input as well as output. If yes, then type yes in a chat box. Very good, very good, very good. अरे वाह, ये फ्लड फिर दोबारा आ गया. ये फ्लड के लिए मैं आपकी क्लास ली है मैंने. जो ये फ्लड आता है ना चैट बॉक्स में, इसी के लिए आपकी क्लास लेता हूँ भाई मैं. चलिए जी, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू. My dear respected students, we are supposed to move towards the next slide. Kindly read the content. Kindly read the content. That is a barcode reader. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, इधर कृपया करके देखिएगा. ये जो इमेज आपको दिख रही है, ये किसी ने देखी है? मुझे चैट बॉक्स में मेंशन करिए. Have you seen this image? Yes, 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 yes. Students are saying yes. Okay, just tell me that where you identify this particular image. Just mention the place. Just mention the name of the product where you have seen this particular code. Arey wah, packet of biscuit. Very good. Grocery things. Arey toothpaste. Wow, what a beautiful examples you all are giving. Very good, very good. Book back of the book. Wow, 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 great. And my dear respected students, what we call this as a barcode. But kindly concentrate the points to remember here. Unique combination of vertical bars, that these are the unique combination of vertical bars, my dear respected students, and that represent product information. Product के बारे में जानकारी प्रदान करते हैं. What do you understand by a product? For example, if we talk about a biscuit, then the name of that biscuit, brand, the amount, each and everything is being displayed with the help of these barcode. And my dear respected student, I have just you all are seeing one more device within a hand. एक हाथ के अंदर आपको एक डिवाइस नजर आ रही है. कृपया करके मुझे थोड़ा सा गाइड करिए. ये देखा आप लोगों ने क्या कभी ये डिवाइस देखी है? अरे वाह, तनवीर ने तो मुझे सीधा ही लिख दिया भाई, उसका नाम लिख दिया. इन मॉल. वेरी गुड. Whenever we are going to purchase anything from a shopping malls, grocery stores, and in that case, when we take our products on a cash counter, then one person which is sitting on that cash counter is supposed to scan those products, and automatically the information of those products are being stored in a computer. Computer के अंदर automatically वो product की information आ जाती है, and that particular device is to be called as the barcode scanner. Is used to scan the barcode. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी यहाँ तक की बात समझ आ गई हो, वो मुझे कृपया करके yes और no में आंसर कर दीजिए. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. सब लोग पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. All students are requested to kindly participate. Very good, very good. Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir. वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू. Now next device, kindly concentrate, it's my humble request. And after that I am going to ask questions from your side also. I'm just going to ask some questions to my respected students. Kindly concentrate here. And here what is mentioned on a screen is magnetic ink character reader, that is to be called as a magnetic ink character reader. Sir, we are not able to recognize this. Can you please help us? Yes, why not? I'm going to help you. Kindly see this picture which is there on the slide. Kindly see that picture. Here it is, one device is there and person is doing that. He is going to scan those checks जो आपके parents देते हैं ना, जो हम cash के लिए checks provide करते हैं. Your parents are giving to a bank officials and they are going to check the authenticity. Authenticity का मतलब वो जेन्युइन है कि नहीं, वो ओरिजिनल है कि नहीं, उसको चेक करने के लिए द डिवाइस इज देयर व्हिच इज टू बी कॉल्ड एज अ मैग्नेटिक कैरेक्टर रीडर. यहां तक के लिए जो जिन बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई वो यस और नो में आंसर करिए. यहां तक जिनको मेरी बात, अरे वाह, टू चेक बैलेंस इन बैंक. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, I'm going to click here. Points to remember. It contains magnetic particles of iron oxide. जो आपने check देखा है ना, when we are going to look at the check, this on the bottom of that check some text is supposed to be printed. That is printed with the help of a magnetic particles which is being called as a iron oxide. Okay, very good. Now second point says, my dear respected students, scan characters printed in magnetic ink is called as a MICR. मेरे बच्चों, MICR stands for magnetic ink कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्नाइजेशन. रिकॉग्नाइजेशन का अर्थ क्या होता है? उसकी जेन्युइनिटी को चेक करना कि वो जेन्युइन है कि नहीं है, उसके बारे में देखना, उसको विचारना. दैट इज टू बी कॉल्ड दैट वी आर सपोज टू रिकॉग्नाइज थिंग्स दैट वेदर इट इज जेन्युइन और नॉट. नाउ last thing, that these such kind of devices is extensively used in banks. बैंक्स के अंदर इस प्रकार की जो डिवाइसेस हैं वो फ्रीक्वेंटली उनका प्रयोग किया जाता है. वेरी गुड. अब ये क्या कहते हैं? अरे वाह, अरे वाह. अच्छा, अब यस और नो में आंसर दीजिए कि यहां तक आप लोगों को क्लियर है. The things is clear to you all. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, can I ask some questions if you don't mind? Can I ask some question? Yes. Stop typing yes. Stop typing yes. Great. Thank you very much. Now my question is, kindly concentrate. My question is, अरे वाह, सक्षम आर्यन जी ने तो पूरे पेज ही भर दिया यस के साथ. Okay, my question is, dash is represented by vertical bars. Very good. I am waiting for your responses. Dash is represented by a, अरे वाह, शिप्रा का सबसे पहले बार कोड. बार, okay, one student is writing a barcode scanner which is not perfect because when we talk about those vertical bars, these are to be called as a barcode only. And when, my dear respected students, we talk that the device which is being used for scanning those barcode is to be considered as, बताइए, अब बताइए, the device which is used for reading those is to be called as a barcode reader. Very good. Next question. Dash device having a magnetical particles of iron oxide. Very good. Dash device having a magnetical particles of iron oxide. Very good. That is to be called as a magnetic ink character reader. And next question I want to discuss with you, my dear respected student, that these devices are extensively used in dash. These devices, अरे वाह मान्या, क्या बात है अदिति दुबे जी, वाह वाह वाह. These devices are extensively used in banks. एक बच्चे ने मॉल लिखा है बेटा, kindly correct that this is not to be considered as a correct answer. You are supposed to tell that these are represented or these are easily available in banks. Very good, very good, very good. Thank you very much. Thanks for your responses. Great. Okay, next thing, next and one last point is difficult to difficult to forge. Forge. Sir, what is the meaning of forge? Kindly mention on your books also. Forge. It representing that it's very difficult to create a illegal copy of something. Means when we are using the magnetic ink character readers, and if we receive any fake check, in that case, this fake check is easily being identified by a magnetic character ink character reader. Why so? Because they having mentioned the content in the form of a iron oxide. Next, my dear respected student, next device, which is easily available, I think so. पहले आप देख लीजिए QR code. Anyone having any guesses that what is the full form of QR? Very good, very good, very good. What is the full form of QR? And I just going to give you a one clue, my dear respected students. What it makes sense when we are going to open our WhatsApp on our systems. That is whether it is a desktop, whether it is a laptop. Then, arey wah, Saksham, great yaar. So, my dear respected students, we are supposed to scan a particular code from our mobile phone, and then only the WhatsApp is going to be opened on our desktop or on our laptops. And many of the students are mentioning the correct answer, that is a quick response. Very good, very good. My dear respected students, I really appreciate the way you are responding and way you are participating. Thanks for your kind cooperation. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate here. It's my humble request. Now what happened here, my dear respected students, this is the example of a QR code. And now we are supposed to learn things about a QR code. First point says, square in shape, easy things we are supposed to remember, and they eliminate the cramming. जब हम अच्छी चीजें और सरल चीजों को सीख के अपने ब्रेन में डालेंगे, वो cramming को eliminate कर देगा, हटा देगा वहां से. Very good. My dear respected students, first it says square in shape. Sir, बिल्कुल ठीक बोला आपने. Second it says able to store enormous data. Enormous data means, देखिएगा जरा मैंने यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे भी लगाया हुआ है. It make a sense. It means, this word means that this particular code is supposed to store huge amount of data. Huge का मतलब होता है बहुत ample amount में, बहुत बड़े amount में ये डाटा को क्या कर सकता है, स्टोर कर सकता है. वेरी गुड. Next point says, and my dear respected students, as earlier I have discussed with you all, that when we are going to open a WhatsApp on our laptop and desktop, my dear respected students, that can be accessed with the help of a smartphone, and we are supposed to scan that particular and the WhatsApp is supposed to be open on your screen. Is going to be open on your screens. अच्छा, यहाँ तक सबको clear है? Very good. ये QR code, it's done. Very good. Sir, please repeat the meaning of forge. अच्छा, ठीक है. इसको बोलते हैं forge. 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 My dear respected students, the meaning of forge is, as mentioned by one of the student in a chat box, that the things which is difficult to make an illegal copy of something. Difficult to make an illegal copy of something. Illegal का मतलब होता है जो कानूनी तौर पे मान्यता ना रखता हो. मेरे बच्चे ने जिसने टाइप किया था, अगर वो कह दे थैंक्स लिखते मुझे, तो मुझे पता लग जाए, अरे वाह तनवीर को सब कुछ पता है. अरे वाह, difficult to copy. अरे वाह. Sir, kindly Verleen Kaur saying, sir, kindly tell the full form of QR. That is a quick response, Verleen ji. Quick response. Very good. Thank you, Verleen, for asking question and for your kind participation. Thank you very much. God bless you. Now, next thing it says, next devices we are talking about. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. It says optical character reader. So again, there is a problem that we are unable to identify this device. Can you please help me? Yes, why not? I'm going to help you, my dear respected students. Here it is. Kindly look at that picture which is on the screen. which is to be called as a optical character recognition. What it makes sense that we are supposed to read the hard copy. Hard copy का मतलब क्या? When we type something and take a printout of that, this is to be considered as a hard copy. And whatever the thing which is there in a system itself, that is to be considered as a soft copy. And if you want to convert the content which is there on the hard copy in a soft form, then we are using a ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रीडर. जो लोगों को मेरी यहां तक की बात समझ आई वो यस में आंसर कीजिए, यस में आंसर कीजिए. अरे वाह, नहीं नहीं वो एमआर शीट नहीं है बेटा, अभी अभी वो आएगी, आप चिंता मत करिए, आप वेट करिए थोड़ा सा. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, थैंक यू. Now kindly just we are talking about the points to remember. First point, used to input printed or handwritten text. Used to input, इनपुट करता है, एक्सेप्ट करता है किस चीज को, विच इज प्रिंटेड और हैंड रिटन टेक्स्ट. दे आर गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट दोज इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कन्वर्ट देम इनटू अ सॉफ्ट फॉर्म. Character recognition software, the software which is used to read that content with the help of that device, then used to convert this image into a character code that can be understood by the computer. अब सरल शब्दों में अगर मैं व्याख्यान करूं इसका, ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रीडर इज एक्सेप्टिंग अ डाटा एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ इनपुट, and after accepting a data, my dear respected students, the software which is there inside the hardware, that is the optical character recognition device, they convert that data into a way which is being accepted by the computer. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात यहां तक समझ आई हो वो कृपया करके yes और no में बता दीजिए. सर इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ, मेरे को निकल गया वो. Very good, very good, very good, very good. If any kind of confusion regarding the same, you are supposed to discuss with your teacher. अरे वाह अरे वाह, अभी पता लग जाता है ये यस टाइप करने वालों को. अरे 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 अरे, दोबारा से रिपीट कर देता हूँ सर, एक बार दोबारा से रिपीट कर देता हूँ. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, दोबारा से एक बार, ठीक है. My dear respected students, when we talk about the optical character reader, it says that optical character reader is a device which is supposed to be recognize the content which is in a hard form. मतलब सरल शब्दों में, अगर आपके बुक में जो अंकित किया गया टेक्स्ट है, लिखा गया टेक्स्ट है, अगर उसको मैं रीड करना चाहता हूं, in that case we use a device which is to be called as a optical character recognition, and that hardware having a software. As being humans, our body is a hardware and our brain is a software. So software is being converted that text into a soft form. मेरे बच्चों को मुझे लगता है अब तो समझ आ गया होगा ये हार्डवेयर, जो बॉडी वाला हार्डवेयर और ब्रेन वाला सॉफ्टवेयर सुन के. अरे वाह, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू फॉर मेंशनिंग. यस सर, thank you, God bless you all. Okay, just quick recap before discuss the next point. There is a quick recap. Be quick, type in a chat box. I am going to ask some few questions with you all. Aditya Bediji, thank you. Okay, I am going to ask some question. What is the full form of QR? What is the full form of QR? Be quick, quickly respond. Very good, very good. Arey wah, quick response. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, what is the meaning of, ध्यान से सुनिएगा please, it's my humble request. What is the meaning of enormous? What is the full form of, what is the meaning of enormous? Very good, very good. I have discussed huge amount. Very good. A lot of data. अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह. इसका मतलब है ये मेरे जैसे नहीं है भाई कोई भी, ये तो सब मतलब एक्सेप्शनली गुड लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पे जो, अरे वाह ओ वाह व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल डे टुडे. ये मैं वर्ड यूज करता होता था क्लास में, वाओ व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल डे टुडे, और आज ये प्रूव हो गया कि सच में ये ब्यूटीफुल डे है. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. Thank you, thanks for your responses. Thank you. Okay, next question says, what do you understand by a word that is called as forge? Forge. अरे वाह मृदुल गर्गा साहब, आप तो कमाल हैं कमाल हैं कमाल हैं. इलीगल कॉपी ऑफ समथिंग. अरे वाह, मजा आ गया यार, मजा आ गया. अच्छा, one more thing I want to ask. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Can I ask one more thing? Students are saying yes. Magnetic ink character readers containing magnetic particles of dash, containing magnetic particles of dash. अरे वाह, अंशिता, अंशिता का आंसर सबसे पहले आयरन ऑक्साइड। अरे वाह, मजा आ गया। अब मैं नेक्स्ट वाले स्लाइड की तरफ बढ़ सकता हूँ, मुझे मजा आएगा वहां पे। देखिएगा, optical mark reader, kindly concentrate now. Previously some students are saying about OMR sheets, OMR sheets, which is used in SOF, I think so. जब आप लोग करते हैं ना वो नेशनल ओलंपियाड्स में आप जब पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं and students are going to dark the circles, the correct answer is being circled or filled with a dark color, that is to be called as a OMR sheets. उसके related है, आप जरा ध्यान से देखिएगा। ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर, मुझे लगता है सब लोग ये देख रहे हैं। This is the device where those sheets are supposed to be inserted and laser beam is going to be passed over the sheet, and when it finds there is a dark spot, they are supposed to give the marks for the same and they are supposed to read the content, that whether the current content is correct or not. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों ध्यान से देखिएगा। What it says, first point says capable of reading printed forms. बिल्कुल ठीक है, मजा आ गया। Second thing, commonly used for objective type exams, and previously I have just mentioned the name of that exam which we all or some of our students are participating, that is SOF, National Cyber Olympiad, National Maths Olympiad, English Olympiad, such kind of examination. This technology is called as OMR. अच्छा, मुझे OMR की फुल फॉर्म बता सकते हैं वैसे, कोई गेस लगा दीजिए वैसे ही। व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ OMR? OMR मैं फिर बताता हूँ, ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर नहीं यार, नहीं 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 नहीं, ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर नहीं है अभी। चलिए देखते हैं, वेट करिए। This says kindly concentrate, that is to be called as optical mark recognition. एक बार दोबारा आप चैट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिएगा प्लीज, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट। ऑप्टिकल मार्क रिकॉग्नाइजेशन टाइप करिएगा। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वाओ वाओ वाओ, व्हाट अ वेरी गुड, great participation. Thank you very much. Okay, now we are just going towards our next device. This is a card reader. Kindly concentrate. You all have seen this device, but you are supposed to identify that device, and then your teacher is supposed to be discussed with you all. Have you seen this device in your daily life? Have you seen this device in your daily life? I am 110% sure that you all have go through with that device. I am very much sure that you all have seen such devices. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Give me an answer, give me an answer, give me an answer. Arre वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, shopping malls, sir, swipe machine, अरे वाह, petrol pumps, ATM, अरे वाह, beta, it's my humble request. This is the real education. This is the real learning, when we are supposed to associate things with the real life, and then we are going to learn. In that case, cramming is disappear and learning appears. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for your kind cooperation. Very good. Now we are begin with the next content. अब जरा दोबारा से देखिएगा, आप मम्मा और पापा के जो वॉलेट्स होते हैं, जो पर्स होते हैं, उसकी तरफ देखना पड़ेगा। सिर्फ देखना है भाई, और कुछ नहीं करना, सिर्फ देखिएगा। First is to be called as a magnetic strip card. Okay, sir, ये क्या होता है ये देखिएगा please. Kindly concentrate on the image. Image says that this is a card and there is a black strip on the back of that particular card. अभी मैं yes or no में कुछ नहीं पूछ रहा. Now I am going to display the smart card. My dear respected students, here is the smart card. How we consider that this is a smart card? It says I am having a chip, golden chip is there on the front of that particular card, and that is to be called as a smart card. Okay, now just tell me how many of you have heard or seen that particular device or that particular card. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. कई लोगों ने तो yes के spelling बदल दिए हैं भाई, कुछ और ही लिखा है। Me. Yes, sir, I have seen. Yes. My dear respected students, I just want to include one thing here, that in currently when you having any credit card and debit cards, all the credit and debit cards having both these devices along in a single card. On the back, that particular card, there is a magnetic strip. And when we talk about in a front side there is a smart card. It means if you have just seen, areva, my papa having a smart card. अरे भैया आजकल सबके पास ही है मनवीर जी all having a smart card. Very good, very good. My mom also. अरे वाह क्या बात है. चलो फिर तो अच्छी बात है भाई कि आपको समझ भी आ गया और आपको ये भी पता लग गया कि ये है कहाँ पे और किसके पास है. Very good. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Okay, next, my dear respected student, kindly concentrate. Now what we have done with the input devices. Now, my dear respected students, on page number 12, we having my dear respected students, we having output devices. यार output में कुछ बता दो please chat box में that what do you understand by output devices? Very good. I'm waiting in a chat box. Output. अरे वाह, printer, projector, CPU we cannot consider as output devices. अरे वाह, printers, monitors, अरे वाह, LCD projectors. Wow, great. बुक से देख के मुझे लग रहा है लिख रहे हैं आप लोग. CD players. अरे वाह, great. Good answers. Okay, now kindly concentrate. Many of us using one abbreviation that is the LCD, my dear respected students. And LCD, the full form of LCD is liquid crystal display. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate on the image which is supposed to be displayed on your screen. It's my humble request. Kindly concentrate. There is a one device, and I think so that device is to be called as a, mention in a chat box. Mention in a chat box. Very good. I'm waiting for your responses. That device is to be called as a, अरे वाह, प्रोजेक्टर, LCDP. सक्षम आर्यन जी ने लिख दिया शॉर्ट फॉर्म में LCDP. अरे ऐसा नहीं यार, ऐसे शॉर्ट फॉर्म में मत लिखिए इतना कि LCDP, that is a liquid crystal display, and P for projector. Okay. Now just give me a clue whether I'm going to begin with showing the content here. Sir, this device I saw in our school activity room. Arre wow, Sohani ji, thank you. Thanks for your identification that you have seen this device in your school. And kindly tell me if you have seen this device in your school. So what is the purpose of using that device? Can you please type in a chat box? What is the purpose of using that particular device? मुझे लगता है छोटे से बड़ा टू शो प्रेजेंटेशन. अरे वाह, एक बच्चे मैं बोल दूंगा, मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये जो आपने लिखा ना मजा करने के लिए सिनेमा. वेरी गुड. शोइंग प्रेजेंटेशंस. वेरी गुड. माय फादर इज यूजिंग इन हर ऑफिस. अरे हिज ऑफिस, सॉरी हिज ऑफिस. ओके, वेरी गुड. थैंक यू. ट्यूशन में भी कुछ लोग लिख रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. पॉइंट्स टू बी रिमेंबर. Shows the output on large screen. Very good. मेरे ब्रेन में आ गया. Commonly used to display. Very good. Presentation. Commonly used to display the presentation. Thank you. Next device, my dear respected students. Very important, and it's my humble request. Kindly listen this thing carefully because this is important. This one is important, my dear respected student. This is to be called as a braille printer. Braille printer means, kindly concentrate. Braille printers are used for blind people. Blind का मतलब जिनको भगवान की तरफ से आंखों की रोशनी जो है वो प्रदान नहीं की गई. That is to be called as a, for the purpose of that we use a braille printer. अब आप ध्यान से देखिएगा. You are requested to identify this device which is there on the screen, and you have heard that there is some dots which is appearing outward. मतलब कि उभरे हुए कुछ आपको डॉट्स नजर आ रहे हैं. एंड हाउ द पीपल दोज डोंट हैविंग अ लाइट इन देयर आईज, दे आर सपोज्ड टू आइडेंटिफाई थिंग्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ टच. ये जो उभरा हुआ पोर्शन है, जैसे ही वो इसको टच करते हैं, दे आर गोइंग टू टच दैट पर्टिकुलर कंटेंट, एंड देन ओनली दे आर सपोज्ड टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट व्हाट इज बीइंग रिटन ऑन द पेपर. That's why we are using the concept of the braille printer. जिन लोगों को मेरी बात यहाँ तक समझ आ गई है वो मुझे बता दीजिए. वेरी गुड. yes or no में आंसर कीजिए. आई एम वेटिंग इन अ चैट बॉक्स. वेरी गुड. आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग इन अ चैट बॉक्स. वेरी गुड. हाँ, वेरी गुड. Many of us writing. Very good, very good, very good. Braille script also. Very good, very good. मजा आ गया, मजा आ गया. Very good. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thanks for your participation. And my dear respected students, now kindly concentrate here. It's my humble request. Thank you. Thanks for your participation. Important thing we are supposed to remember here, used to produce braille printouts for blind people. मेरी बात समझ आ गई. Second point says it works with software that translate text to braille. It means the simple text is being translated or converted in a braille form, which is being easily supposed to be identified by a blind people. It's very good. Great. Next. Acha, your next है ना, ये last है. This is the last one, and we have I think so we have approximately 6 minutes left. So after discussing this slide, we are supposed to go through with some of the back exercise part, and I am expecting the answers from your side. Okay, no problem. I'm going to share each and everything with you, but this is representing for your understanding that whether you are understanding the content or not. These are the plotters. Last one is to be called as a plotters. अब एक बार ये आइडेंटिफाई करिए. This is the device we are supposed to identify. My dear respected students, I just want to give here one example. जब हम लोग ना मार्केट में जाते हैं, there is a very big flexes full of advertisement. बहुत सारा कुछ लिखा होता है उसके ऊपर कि यहाँ सेल लग गई, यहाँ पे आज ये religious event है. These big huge flexes are displayed on the market. That how we are supposed to take a printout of these such kind of huge printouts that can be done with the help of big huge printers, and these are to be called as plotters. These are to be called as plotters. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate here. It says that first point you are supposed to understand, used to create high quality graphics, जिनको हम लोग बोलते नहीं है, what is the full form of HD? We are saying what is the full form of HD, and my dear students, HD says that sir, HD is the full form of high definition. HD is a high definition, but here we represent that these are the printouts which is being taken in a high quality. And next thing we are talking about, that plotters use ink pens or inkjets, ink pens or inkjets, which is being used by a plotters to create graphics on paper. Graphic means form of text, form of images, when these are supposed to be printed on the paper or in a polyester sheet. Polyester ka matlab is a kind of sheet which made by a polythene, combination of polythene, that is to be called as a polyester. And my dear students, on page number 12, they are using two different abbreviations that is to be called as a CAD and CAM. CAD and CAM. अगर कोई मुझे चैट बॉक्स में टाइप कर दे, चाहे बुक से देख के ही कर दे, बुक में लिखा है पेज नंबर 12, CAD stands for, I am still waiting, very good. CAD stands for, नहीं तो मैं जल्दी से बोल देना, मैंने रुकना नहीं है, फटाफट कर लो जरा. CAD stand, अरे वाह, computer aided design. Shipra, very attentive, very good. वेरी गुड. अदिति दुबे जी, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. कंप्यूटर क्या लिखा था आप लोगों ने? कंप्यूटर एडेड डिजाइन. अच्छा, अब इतना देख लिया तो एक और चीज देख लो, कैम. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ कैम? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. कैम. मृदुल गर्गा जी भी आ गए हैं, अरे वाह. कंप्यूटर एडेड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, वाह क्या बात है. अच्छा, अब मेरी बात को सुनिएगा. When we are supposed to build a new house, we are supposed to contact architect. In such case, when architect is going to provide us a layout of our house, that is being done with the help of a software which is being called as a computer aided design. And for example, the second example we are taking, then when we are supposed to take a architecture of a particular machine, take a architect of a particular car, in such case we are using a computer aided manufacturing. Now, the last thing, my dear respected students, which I want to conclude here before shutting down this session, the different types of, remember this thing, different types of plotters. First is called as drum, second is called as micrographic, third is called as ink, and last one is to be called as a flat bed. अच्छा आप जल्दी से मुझे लिख के बताइएगा, मैं बोलूंगा 1, अभी अब स्टॉप राइटिंग इन अ चैट बॉक्स प्लीज, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट। व्हेन आई से 1, आपकी स्क्रीन पे देखो आपको ऑप्शंस आ रही हैं 1 2 3 एंड 4। 1 is drum, second is micrographic, third is inkjet, and fourth is flatbed. Okay, wait for 1 minute, wait for 1 minute. I'm just going to mention the numbering and you are supposed to type the answer. Okay, point number 4। अब मैं देख रहा हूँ कि कितने लोग, अरे वाह मृदुल गर्गा जी फ्लैट बेड वेरी गुड, रंजीता, तनवीर, वेरी गुड। नाउ stop typing second, what you are going to type for second point? अरे वाह, micrographic। Okay, now we are begin with the point number 1। very good, point number 1, drum, very good। and now the last one is, which is to be called as a inkjet very good, thank you my dear respected students for making my day special। I'm not saying that your day special. I want to add this thing very politely, that thanks very much for making my day special, and thank you all for such kind of huge, excellent, great response, and hope you all are supposed to read this content and you are supposed to memorize things without cramming. It's my humble request that without cramming we are supposed to do things. And thank you. One attendance link is being shared within your WhatsApp group, and that is only for 10 to 20 minutes. You are supposed to fill that, and you are supposed to, after that, that same will be eliminated from the WhatsApp group. Hope you all are supposed to fill that attendance form. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.